You're ready to invest in precious metals. Your self-directed IRA is waiting for your approval. Now the question is, do you invest in coins or bars? Coins are the more popular investment, but bars have their own benefits. Here's some advantages of buying gold bars. The most obvious benefit is diversification. Gold bars are ideal for high volume gold diversification. It's never good to put all your money into one type of precious metal, so you should have some coins and some bars. Next is lower than the average premium is, in most cases, there's lower production costs, so bars are gonna be a little less expensive. Gold coins can be more expensive because they, in terms of the design, the cost to do that. Also, coins typically are smaller size, so the smaller the item, the more expensive the price is. So there's a number of factors. The bar is mostly the weight, so you have the weight of it, and that's really what it comes down to. Gold coins, you have bullion coins, certified coins, rare coins. All this is factored into the price and how much it's going to cost at the end. Maybe you're looking to take physical possession, you're not doing an IRA. A bar might be easier for you to store because it's a little bit more space efficient. I mean, gold isn't really that big typically, so I think both could be space efficient, but you may want to have bars for that reason. You can stack bars side by side with the protective packaging. Some people like the simplicity of bars. Bars are just plain gold, pure and simple. I own both, so I'm a big believer in diversification. I love the American Eagle. I love the Canadian Maple Leaf. I'm a big fan of those. I've typically always bought more coins than bars, but there's times that, like during the pandemic, the price of coins it skyrocketed. And so I was at that point leaning more towards bars. That was my personal choice. So everybody's got a personal thing that they're looking into. Ultimately, we're gonna try to get you the most bang for your buck, and you're gonna decide which is better for you. The first coin was struck around 550 BC. Civilizations around the world have been fascinated by the allure of gold coins. This means you have more choices in size, finish, rarity, and other things. Also, a lot of investors think that they're easier to liquidate. Also, you have the numismatic potential, the rare coin added value. So you have the metal, you also have the high rate of appreciation based on the rarity and the condition and the demand. Like art, their worth includes historic and aesthetic appeal. Like I said, I own all of these. I have other mints. I have the Chinese panda. I also have some rare coins that I love. Most recently, the coin that I've been giving to my kids is the 5-ounce American Beautiful coin, which I think is one of the most beautiful modern day bullion coins. And we also gave them away as gifts for people who rolled over IRAs. But this month, actually, if you roll over a qualified IRA, we do have a gift where you would get some gold if it is a qualified IRA. So you would get a gold coin if you decide to do an IRA with us. So we have all the items out there. We can talk about them, go through the pricing, give you some pros and cons of what people are buying out there. But we're selling a lot of the metal, and we can give you a good idea why people are buying certain items today, which I think is the most important. Sometimes you just need to give people a call to learn about this stuff. I know people call and say, oh, online, I went to this place, there's 12,000 coins on there, I didn't know what to buy. That's where we come in. We can tell you what people are buying. We see the demand. So if you want to learn and talk to somebody that's selling a lot of gold and silver and get some answers for yourself, give us a call, 877-646-5347. You'll speak to someone that knows about precious metals. They're going to take their time with you, answer your questions. You're really going to love the people that you talk to on the phone over at a company. So 877-646-5347 or check out the website at noblegoldinvestments.com. If you're interested in investing in precious metals and you want to talk to a no-hassle representative that has experience in physical metal, give us a call. Phone number is 877-646-5347. Our phone lines are always open, and we're happy to answer any of your questions.